If you guys can get this video to 200 likes, we will go and we'll do like a $40 or $50 scratch off challenge. We'll up it up a little bit. Instead of doing $10 a piece, we'll do like 50 or 60 or something like that. Come here, come here, come here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 365-day vlog challenge. Today we're gonna be doing something that I don't think has ever been done in the truck world ever. I've seen a couple fishing YouTubers do this. I've never seen a truck YouTuber do this. We're gonna give it a shot today. So the goal today, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, is Lottery Ticket Truck Mod Challenge. That's a mouthful, but that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go inside. We actually just showed up to Quick Trip. That's where I met Matt and Adriana today. And we're gonna run inside. We're gonna get, I think we should do is 10 bucks, all right? If you want. I think what I'm gonna do, just to keep it interesting, is I'm gonna do two $5 lottery tickets, and you can do, if you wanna do 20 or however much you wanna do. So the goal is whatever we win off of these lottery tickets is how much we have to spend on a truck mod at Walmart, right here. Walmart's like right there. So right behind us. So that's our challenge today. We're gonna run inside, we're gonna grab some lottery scratch off tickets. Whatever we win, that's what we have to spend. It can be for your tires, it can be lighting, it could, whatever the hell mod that you can afford with however much money we win off the lottery tickets. So we're gonna run inside and pay to win, play to win, play to
10 grand here.
Whatever it is. Yeah, 100 grand, we're about to be rich. Y'all see I got two different shoes on today. This swag, and let's get this bread shirt. Quick Trip, I hope they sell scratch offs at the Quick Trip. I would assume so. Is chocolate milk included in my winnings? Can I buy chocolate milk?
Thank you.
Of course. Which one did you?
I did that one.
Two of those. They don't even give you an option. It's just like you click that and that's it. They don't give you like a yes or no. Like, are you sure? All right, here we go. So this is what we got. So I'm an idiot, and apparently that machine doesn't give change back, which I did not know that. So normally we were gonna do $10 each, but now we're doing 15 each because I have 4 tickets now. So we got $15 a piece in scratch offs. Whatever we win today with these tickets is what we have for our new truck mod. So he'll go these 3, and I'll do these 3. So these were your 3, my 3. This, first of all, I hate scratch off just for this reason. So we started with $30 total, and now I won $5. Sorry, hold on. No, sorry, I won $10. So 2 times 5 is 10, and he won $5. So now I have $10 to spend on my truck mod, and Matt has 5. So we're gonna see what we can do in Walmart for $5 and $10, or $10, $5. You guys get the gist. Let's go to Walmart. Before we run into Walmart, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. If you guys haven't heard of them, you will now. Huge shout out to Beanie Light for sponsoring today's video. If you like to keep your head warm and you like things to be lit up at night at the same time, go check out Beanie Light on Instagram. Go check out their website. Got some great products, all kinds of different colors, designs. It's super simple. They're sewn in very well, and the LED actually comes out of the back just like that. So super awesome quality. Love the guys over there. I want to say they're based out of California, but go check out their website and tell them I sent you. Okay, I've got $10 to spend. Matt has $5 to spend. Who's gonna win? Wow, that rhymes. I should be a rapper. All right, this is how we're gonna do this. So, like I said previously, probably 100 times now, I've got $10, Matt has $5. This is what we're gonna do. Just for the surprise factor of it, I'm gonna give the camera to them. They're gonna go find their mod, and then they're gonna give the camera back to me, and I'm gonna go find mine, just so we're not standing next to each other and like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And then at the end, you guys can vote which one you like best. So that's how we're gonna do it. So I guess I'll let them go first, since they've only got $5. So yeah, y'all can go first. I'll pass the camera off, and we'll see how it goes. You guys will be able to see them walking around, but I won't be able to see it until later on.
All right, guys, I got an idea. I think we're gonna do a pop light, but put it in the grill. But we gotta find a grill. It's Matt trying to find. We got an idea. Thinking about doing one of those lights you put in a house, but putting it in my grill. I don't know how expensive these things are, but come along with us and we'll try to figure out where it is. We got lights here. I don't know where the light would be. Alright, bread game. I think I found what I'm gonna do. Don't tell Alex, but might be busting the bank a little bit here, but I got this light, $7.88, but you know, we can break the rules a little bit. Don't tell Alex, spending $7, but this is my idea. Gonna put it in my grill or somewhere, and now it's Alex's turn, so I'll let y'all get to him. I got it. I'm gonna hand the camera off to you now.
Got something?
Yeah, I got a little
so I've been doing a little walking around, little scoping out, and I think I've come up with something. It's a little ridiculous, but this is what we're gonna do. So my plan is I'm always looking for new ways to spice things up, and the shark tail hitch, that's the first thing that came to my mind. What can we do with the shark tail hitch? If you guys don't know what the shark tail hitch is, shark tail hitch is a all-in-one flagpole hitch, mount hitch, whatever you want to think. It goes directly into your hitch receiver, and it's got a flagpole in the end. So my thought is, what if we took a little $10 cooler, cut a hole in the bottom, and then bam, you have a truck hitch cooler, a truck hitch mounted cooler. I think that might be the way to go. It might leak a little bit, but that's, I mean, for 10 bucks, a hitch covered or a hitch covered cooler, that's genius, absolute genius. So that's what we're going with. Let's run outside and I guess get installed and see what Matt did. All right, we found some shade because it's stupid hot out here right now, but I've got mine. He's got his, $5, $10. We're gonna get to installing. I don't really know what he's got going on. I see some batteries over there, and I've got a cooler, like I told you guys. So I'm gonna get to installing, he's gonna get to installing, and then we're gonna let you guys vote when we're done.
There's some surprise effects. Let's see what Alex is up to. How's it going?
Pretty good, as long as I can cut this hole. This is very custom work going on over here. Custom fabrication. Nothing but the best.
Oh, it's just styrofoam.
Plastic, styrofoam, more plastic.
Are you ready? Are you ready, or are you still installing?
No, I'm ready.
Part of my install has to be done with y'all watching, just because it's so. Let's recap. We bought scratch off tickets. Whatever we won from the scratch off tickets is what money we had to use to buy truck mods for our two trucks here, right? Matt won $5 off of his scratch off, so Matt had $5 to spend in Walmart to customize his truck. So let's see what Matt was able to come up with. So Matt got
Custom grill light here.
custom grill light. How much was the light? Like 4 and some change?
Yeah, 4.
Something like that. Batteries not included. Batteries were not included in this challenge. But Matt now has a custom emblem light on his truck. Drop a like in the comments, or drop a comment for Matt or Toyota, whatever you want to comment if you think Matt deserves to win the challenge today. We were able to use whatever we had in our truck. Yeah, I think Matt should win this one. We were able to use whatever we had in our truck to help with the install. So here, I'm gonna pass the camera off to you. So I had $10 that I won from my scratch off. So I bought a $9 and some change cooler. And my idea, huge shout out to Shark Tail Hitch, like I said in the video, was to make a custom cooler hitch mount, or custom hitch mounted cooler, however you want it. We got a cooler on our hitch now. Like that's not the best part. That's not the best part at all.
No.
What's a cooler without? We got to see how well it holds.
Break the ice.
God dang it! This ice is like, I shouldn't have broken the bag. Why did I break the bag? The guy in that truck over there is probably like, what?
I know, he's staring at you like, wow, this dude's an idiot.
Here, I actually got a Yeti cooler back big.
Alex, clean.
I was gonna do that today. All right. Dump some ice in here.
Wow.
Wow. You know, it's probably gonna leak.
It's okay. Got some water.
Oh, hell yeah.
Water to put in there, keep cold.
Hell yeah, look. Bam. Look it, I mean that's,
That's
I don't know if I'd ride down the road with it, but
tailgating.
if you're at a tailgate or something, that's for 15 bucks. That's it right there.
Don't get much better.
Let me know in the comments below who you guys think should win. Vote for Matt in the comments below if you think that the custom grill light was better. Vote for Alex in the comments below if you think that the custom whatever that thing is, the custom cooler mount hitch, whatever the hell it is, vote Alex in the comments. Here's what I'll do. If this video gets 200 likes, if you guys can get this video to 200 likes, we will go and we'll do like a $40 or $50 scratch off challenge. We'll up it up a little bit. Instead of doing $10 a piece, we'll do like 50 or 60 or something like that. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Make sure you guys smash that like button so we can do this challenge again. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Make sure you guys go follow MD Detailing on Instagram. I'll have it on the screen right here below. MD Detailing, best detailing in Atlanta, hands down, no questions asked. I'll see you guys next time. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.